Hi, so today I'm doing something very exciting. I'm taking a helicopter, or helijet, I think is the terminology, from Vancouver Harbour to my hometown of Nanaimo. I've never been in a helicopter before, so this is very exciting for me. I'm 34, never been up in a helicopter, and I just got down to the helijet terminal, heliport in Vancouver Harbour, beautiful location, and I'm the only passenger in there waiting who is not a politician, so there's a whole bunch of MLAs in there. I think that's mine, I don't know. That's the C bus over there. Anyway, so that was sort of funny to see all these politicians in there, and I didn't see Christy Clark though. It was all NDP MLAs at that point, and I did ask around, and apparently the word is from the people here that Christy Clark is very polite and courteous when she comes through here about, and I am really excited to go on the helicopter to Nanaimo, obviously, so I'm going to try to document that as much as I can. I have a carrot. Have a nice day. So I took the helijet from Vancouver Harbour to Nanaimo Harbour. It was like 15 minutes. I'm now at the other end, and beautiful morning. I was invited to attend an event at Vancouver Island University, where I am now, a beautiful campus with where I have a lot of memories here, having grown up not too far from here, a quick walk away, and it's nice to be back in Nanaimo, and I would love to take the helijet again. That was a lot of fun. And I'm now here with this bunny who's actually quite friendly. Usually they tend to run away from people if you find a bunny, but I think this guy is used to human interaction. Unfortunately, I don't have any carrots on my person, so he's just going to mosey on off, I'm sure. Pretty bunny. Hi, friend. Hello, buddy. Hi, friend. Oh, hi, friend. Oh, you're so cute. Hi, bunny.